Now I am going to do the problem related to income and expenditure and balance sheet. So we will continue the same problem. So last last day I prepared opening balance sheet. Okay. Now we will do closing balance sheet. So balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Shubham Pavitra Hadi, turn on your
1 minute,
video.
sir.
Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. So here, what we have to do? So we prepared opening balance sheet. So just opposite only. First item, Aparna, first item,
Sir, cash in hand.
cash in hand. Cash in hand, closing amount. Closing amount 1,800. So next we wrote investment. So no change investment. Next, next we wrote subscription received in advance. No, asset side what we wrote next item, stock of stationery. No, outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. Every closing amount it is given, then it is very easy. So closing amount 3,700. Now stock of stationery, we can write stock of stationery closing amount. On the base of opening balance sheet we can look, that is 800. Next, books. So whenever we are writing books, so if you write closing amount without any adjustment, if you hear closing amount, it is given now. So if you write closing amount, then also no problem. Okay. Otherwise, what we have to do? Books opening amount 13,500 plus add purchase. Purchase 6,000. So 19,500. So here sale not there, but we wrote depreciation. So less depreciation. In expenditure side we wrote depreciation. So amount will be 3,000 we wrote. So outer column, you look at outer column, same amount will come. Suppose if you don't know to do this type, you do that books, you write the closing amount. You have to get the closing amount. So if you are not getting, means it is best, means books you write closing amount. Okay. Now same like asset furniture. Furniture, you can write which one, amount 8,000 you can write. Otherwise 16,000, no purchase, sale is there, less sale, book value 6,000. So 10,000 less depreciation. Less depreciation, we wrote expenditure side 2,000. So outer column 8,000. Now credit side, subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. Closing amount 3,200. Next, outstanding subscription we wrote, stock of station we wrote. Outstanding rent. outstanding rent. Outstanding rent, closing amount 2000. Everything closing. Now we got capital fund. Capital fund. So 1 lakh capital fund amount.
1,37,500.
Anyone? Capital fund amount? Aparna, capital fund amount?
Sir, 1,37,500.
1,37,500. I can't hear anything. Karthik, amount?
Yes, sir, 1,37,500.
Sir, 1,37,500.
This is correct. I can't hear you. Okay. So add surplus. $11,100. $1,48,600. Now you have to look at payment side. Any other item you have to write. Books of building. Building is there. Building. Building 30,000. Building 30,000. Now you have to look in the receipt side. Subscription, donation, sale of furniture, we wrote. Entrance fee. Life membership fee. Life membership fee 7,000. Life membership fee 7,000. Now you have to look additional information. Subscription received in advance we wrote. Outstanding subscription we wrote. Stock of stationery we wrote. Books we wrote. Closing furniture we wrote. Outstanding we wrote. Over. After finding you total, you put in the chat box. Microphone on.
Sir, sir, chat box is disabled.
Final answer.
1,60,800. 1,60,800.
Final answer.
1,60,000.
So 1,60,800. 1,60,800. 1,60,800. Okay, so that problem is over. Okay, now next question. Next one, 11th question. 11th one. Okay, here you look at what is the change. Here, receipt and payment account also given, opening balance sheet also given. So you are safe because no need to prepare opening balance sheet. Directly we can prepare closing balance sheet. Okay, here you look at the capital fund, it is given. So for what purpose we are preparing opening balance sheet? To find out capital fund. So here receipt and payment account also given, opening balance sheet also given. Clear? Opening balance sheet, opening item, it is given. So we will do the problem. So heading income and expenditure account. For the year ending. On the basis of your question, I received and payment account date 31st of March 2016. Debit, credit. Format is very important. For that you will get mark in board exam. So now you look at that receipt and payment account. Payment side, furniture it is given. Look the question. Telephone expense is given. Salary. Salary to date salary it is given. So what we will do? So you have to look at the current year amount. Here current year amount is 4,000. Is it correct? Current year amount is 4,000. Last year it is given. Means payment means this year we paid this year salary also, last year salary also. Now you have to look in opening balance sheet any outstanding salary. Last year outstanding salary. Yes, 2,000 is there. 2,000 is their outstanding salary. Means out of that this year we paid 1,000 remaining unpaid. So This opening outstanding salary, it will not come income and expenditure. Listen one point. If it is given in the opening balance sheet, here so everyone turn on your video. So here salary, look at that current year also, last year also given. We paid. So if any information, if opening outstanding salary is given 2000. So this year we paid 1000. So it will not come income and expenditure. That you have to remember. It will not come. Suppose normally what we are doing, if any opening outstanding it is there, we will less, we will deduct from salary. But if opening also given in the receipt and payment account also one information is given, then it will not come income and expenditure. It will come closing balance sheet. The difference amount means 2000 we have to get out of that we paid we have to get, not we have to pay, out of that we paid this year 1000 only. Okay, so outstanding salary closing balance sheet 1000 will come. Now newspaper, no problem. Sundry expenses, defense bond means what? Asset only. Investment in shares. Okay, defense bond. Okay, not bond. Defense bond, that is asset. Next one, land asset, closing cash asset. Now receipt side, you look at the same like which one? Salary, subscription. So current year we know that 22,000. 22,000. 22,000. Then you have to look at any asset side, opening balance sheet asset side, any outstanding subscription. So we have to get 3,000. So now we received 2,000. It will not come income and expenditure because it information it is given in the receipt and payment account. It will come closing balance sheet if any idea is there. Out of 3,000, we received only 2,000. So 1,000 it will come closing balance sheet. Then one thing you have to remember, any item in opening balance sheet, one item it is there, subscription received in advance, that is opening, that it will come. Subscription received in advance opening, what we have to do with the subscription, you have to add. With the subscription, you have to add. Outstanding, it will not come. Outstanding, I said, if any information is there in the receipt and payment account, it will not come. But subscription received in advance, opening it is given, that it will come. Okay, in income and expenditure. Only income and expenditure. Closing balance sheet will not come. Next one, life membership fee. A locker rent is there. So in opening balance sheet, advance locker rent. Advance locker rent means locker rent received in advance. Beginning. Received in advance only. Received in advance beginning. What we have to do? Add. Add with locker rent. Next, life membership fee liability, government grant income. That only. Now, any item? No. Okay, then we will do the problem. So first one, to telephone expenses. To telephone expenses, 800. No adjustment. Next, to salary. To salary, opening outstanding salary is given. No need to adjust because here last year salary paid it is given. So in income and expenditure, we are writing only the current year income. 4,000. Next one, to newspaper. To newspapers, 700. Next one, to sundry expenses. To sundry expenses, 1000. Next, defense bond, bond asset, land asset, closing cash asset. Next, receipt side by subscription. Outstanding subscription, no need, because opening it is given, in receipt and payment account also it is given, no need. But opening balance sheet, they given subscription received in advance. At the beginning. $1,000. Okay, so subscription over. The meaning I am continuing. Now, subscription over. Now, entrance fee by entrance fee. So, no adjustments. 2,800. Now, locker rent by locker rent by locker rent 1,000. So opening it is there, received in advance. Locker rent received in advance. At the beginning. $200. Now government grant by government grant 11,000. Okay, now adjustment of balance sheet, opening balance sheet, we adjusted everything. No need to look advance fund, received in advance, outstanding salary, return income, loan, capital fund. Only this much. Okay, no other implied adjustment. Outstanding subscription, then outstanding salary, it will not come because some information is given in the receipt and payment account. Okay, no? Now we will prepare closing balance sheet. So, sorry, first we have to %, 23%, 24%. Credit side 38,000 to surplus, excess of income over expenditure. So we'll get 31,500. 31,500. 31,500. So now we will do closing balance sheet. Closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as on. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. So you have to look opening balance sheet. First, cash in hand. In that opening balance sheet, they wrote opening amount. You have to write closing amount. Second item, outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. Current year not there, but last year 3,000 outstanding subscription. From that, this year we received 2,000. So 1,000. Now building opening, then payment side no building, so same amount. Now advance local rent, it will not come, that is opening. Subscription received in advance, it will not come, that is opening. Outstanding salary, so we have to pay last year 2,000. Out of that, this year we paid 1,000. So it will come 1,000. Now loan, no change, 10,000. Payment side loan it is given, it is repaid. Now capital fund 36,800. Add surplus 31,500.
$68,300.
Yes, now I can hear 68,300. 68,800. Sorry, 68,300. Now you have to look at payment side, any other item. Yes, furniture. Sale is no. Furniture 4,000. Now defense bonds. 18,000. Now land 20,000. Now we have to look receipt side. Life membership fee. 1,200. Any other item? No. Okay, everything over. Over. 78,000. Answer
80,500.
very good. 80,500. Okay. My time is over. So extra, it took 3 minutes. Okay, clear now? Any doubts? Shubham, this one you understood? Opening
Sir.
it is okay. So next 12th one we'll do the next class. Okay. Thank you. Attend the class.